Today, have a reading practice using basic sentences. I wake up early. I wake up early. Wake up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Brush. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. Pack. I wear my uniform. I wear my uniform. Wear. I go to school. I go to school. Go. I greet my teacher. I greet my teacher. Greet. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. Sit. I read a book. I read a book. Read. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. Write. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. Raise. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. Listen. I color the picture. I color the picture. Color. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. Play. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. Lunch. I drink water. I drink water. Drink. I line up for recess. I line up for recess. Line up. I sing a song. I sing a song. Sing. I do my homework. I do my homework. Do. I pack my lunchbox. I pack my lunchbox. Pack. I clean my desk. I clean my desk. Clean. I put away my pencils. I put away my pencils. Put away. I say goodbye to my friends. I say goodbye to my friends. Say goodbye. I walk home from school. I walk home from school. Walk. I tell my mom about my day. I tell my mom about my day. Tell. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. Go.